Hi guys, what an exciting winter we have. We work a lot since last year with HRL, and now this winter we work with APBA and new USA racers to make them available on the engine program in the hydroplanes. For 2025, HRL opened the engine program to all racers to make their own engine or choose their own engine builders. This allows to APBA use the same program, so racers in APBA will be able to use the same engine and same boat in APBA or HRL races. So we work a lot this winter on the rules and the measurements of the engines to make it clear to racers and engine builders what is allowed and what it's not allowed. So this year we will make technical built-ins to help you make easier diagnostic and adjustment on your setup for reliability and constancy. The new 2025 calibration file will be the same on all boats. So it will be easier for us to inspect the engine and the data. Since the calibration will be the same on all boats, it will be easier to compare data from each boat together. Each race session or test session you will make in a race program, race day, you will have to extract the data log file and give them to the inspector of the series. For this year, some teams will convert to from Ford to Honda engine. So if you need parts or help, just send us an email and we will be able to send you the parts and help you. So on this table there is all the parts needed for a customer. He will move from Ford to Honda, so he purchased a used engine and he will use brand new coils, exact same from the factory as Honda, but they are a little bit cheaper since we don't buy from Honda, we buy them from the manufacturer. Same for brand new injectors. Those injectors are made from Canadian, but Honda don't sell them anymore. We have an account with the manufacturer, so they are available from us. We have a brand new Link ECU. He will make the new harness from a loom available from Link. It's 5 meters long, so 15 feet. There is the ECU connector is already wired, so you just have to unroll it, cut to exact length you need, and you will be able to crimp the new connectors we sell you. So there is. Here we have the Link Can Lambda with the sensor. For 2025, we add a fuel pressure sensor kit for the Honda engines. So we make available a brand new harness with a AEM sensor. We include in the kit the adapter fitting in the H6. If you need other adapters, just let us know and we will sell it to you. So this is a complete plug and play kit. the contacts are already crimped. On the other side, since we work a lot with race teams for snowmobiles, cars, trucks, and boats, we could sell you custom engine harness. This setup is custom made from us. The customer already have sport engine wiring, but he want to add more sensors. So he send us his ECU, and we make a secondary harness. On this harness, we have oil pressure sensor, oil temp sensor, coolant pressure, oil pressure. We have digital output to control. On this particular harness, you will control the boost solenoid, and there is CAN bus wiring to a digital display dash. You could completely customize it from sensors, the colors, the form, the RPM, the shift light. It's really easy to use, and it's a lot cheaper than other systems like RacePack. The RacePack system is mandatory. You need to use a universal interface to communicate from the link ECU to the dash display. On AIM, you don't need it. It's a direct wiring between the ECU and the dash display. And you could add a GPS sensor. This could allow you to compare data from between racers or tracks or different conditions. So it's very flexible. Another type of display we could use is Motec. Motec is a lot powerful, but it's a lot more expensive. So when we make harness like this, we don't need the boat or the car here. We just send you a template. On this template, you will write the length from the ECU to the first Y. After that, each length of each branch, you will write the length. And after that, we will be able to make you the custom motorsport harness you need. So I think that's it for the wiring. This is another type of wiring you can make. It's a spiral cord for the steering. So the driver will have the steering bolt on that after. We will be able to use the radio or change the dash display settings here from page 1 to page 2. On some cars, I already use potential meters to change power or traction control settings. So it's really versatile. So for this year, I will be available at Cambridge. Up to now, I will be at Cambridge, and we will see later if I will be at other races. But I'm really anxious to be there and be able to talk with you, help you, check data. For 2025, we make a sponsorship program for HRL. So we will help the inspector for checkup, data checkup, engine checkup, team helps on data or diagnostic. This is a sponsorship program we make with them. So each Honda boat will have to show the new stickers on the boat, on each side. We will send you the stickers soon or at Cambridge. It's not sure right now, but we hope to have them ready soon. So this is a sponsorship program. So this allows us to have more exposure, but we give a lot to the series and the teams to help improving you at races on the water. So we are really exciting to see you at races. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a nice season. Goodbye.